There are many natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster, but you've been sleeping on them. Or maybe you don't even know how to use them. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that can help you boost your hair growth. When chemicals damaged my hair and I lost all my edges and my hair was thinning out, natural ingredients have helped me grow my hair much faster. And because I'm not greedy, I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel. And today is one of those videos. I'm going to show you this recipe, and if you're consistent with it, you're going to see an amazing result. So if you really want to learn how to do this, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I say hey you, hello. I'm super excited to have you join us today. One of my main ingredients for today's recipe is bananas. I love eating my bananas. I would love to hear from you if you love eating bananas as well. Bananas have so many great benefits for our natural hair growth. But before telling all about that, I have to tell you some rules around this channel. On this channel, we show a whole lot of love, and we do so by giving videos thumbs up and leaving lovely comments. And if you are new here, we would love for you to join us by subscribing and also clicking on the bell. And when you do click on the bell, do not forget to select all. So each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will be notified. Bananas are packed with antioxidants that promote hair growth. They also contain silica that can help you achieve much thicker and longer hair. Bananas contain potassium, which also will help soften your hair and improve hair growth. So if you haven't been incorporating banana in your hair growth regimen, then you should be doing that now. My next ingredient for this recipe is the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise has so many great properties for our natural hair. What makes mayonnaise special for hair growth is the ingredients put together. It contains oils as well as eggs. These two have so many benefits for hair growth. The eggs have a lot of protein that can prevent hair breakages and improve hair growth. Oils will also help prevent hair breakages and strengthen your hair. I use about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise will help smoothen your hair, moisturize your hair, and also help your hair to grow much thicker, faster, and more fuller. My next ingredient is honey. I just love honey. Honey has so many benefits for our skin, for our hair, as well as for our health. Honey can help prevent hair breakages, it can help soften your hair, and it's a great conditioner for hair growth. If you have low porosity hair, honey should be your go-to conditioner. Honey is packed with antioxidants that helps improve the health of your scalp, which in return will help you grow new healthy hair. It also strengthens your hair strands, so honey has so many great benefits for our hair. Make sure you are adding honey to your hair care regimen because you're going to love it in your hair. My next ingredient is my oils, and today I'm going to use my pure grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil because it does the job. It just doesn't sit on your hair without penetrating. It penetrates your hair shaft to prevent hair breakages, strengthen your hair strands, and also can prevent scalp issues like dandruff. My next ingredient for today is the flax seeds. I've used flax seeds in so many ways on this channel, so make sure to stop by to check on my other videos on how to use flax seeds for hair growth. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E as well as omega-3 fatty acids, and these two are great for our hair because it's going to prevent hair breakages and also treat your scalp of dandruff or any scalp issues and give way to new hair growth. It's easy to prepare flaxseed gel. You just have to add some water to it, put it on the fire, boil it for about 10 minutes, and make sure you're always straining your gel when it's still hot. Because when it cools down, it's going to thicken up, and straining it is going to take you the rest of the year. And I don't want that for you. So make sure you're straining it while it's still hot. So I'm going to use my flax seeds, the boiled ones, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon to my mixture. We're going to use the flaxseed gel later on in the video. My next ingredient is the fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds is the mother of all seeds. I just love fenugreek seeds. They contain iron and protein that are two nutrients that are really needed for our hair growth. It can prevent hair breakages, hair fall, split ends, and add strength to your hair strands. It can also prevent scalp issues like dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and improve the overall health of your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. Alright, so this is my fenugreek seeds. I'm going to put it in a bowl, and after that I'm going to add some water to it, give it a stir, cover it up, then I'm going to leave it overnight. This way it's going to help the seeds to soften up, and you can see the seeds have doubled in size by the next morning. So I strained it, and this is my water and this is my fenugreek. I'm going to add some fenugreek to my recipe. After adding the fenugreek to the recipe like so, I'm going to add some of the fenugreek water that we strained to it and blend it. I added about only 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek water. You do not need much, otherwise your recipe is going to be watery. And hey y'all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. And when you do click on the bell, do not forget to select all. So each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster. So if you enjoy contents like these, do not forget to subscribe. Alright, so I blended my mixture and now it's time to strain it. You can use a cheesecloth or anything with tiny holes, because you really want to do a great job straining just the content that we need. You don't want any residue, coming into your recipe. Alright, so after having my treatment like so, I'm going to add a little more of the grapeseed oil as well as the honey. A little tip for you: do not add your oils and your honey before straining your treatment. Do it after. So after you strain it, add your oils and your honey. Otherwise, during straining, you're going to lose some of these. And I learned it the hard way. So at this point, I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of my flaxseed gel. You remember the flaxseed gel we prepared? So I just added it, and after that, I'm going to whisk it away like no one's business. I just love how this treatment is looking, and you're going to see how good it works on the hair. And hey y'all, if you haven't already shown me some love, please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all. So each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, YouTube will always notify you. So this is my recipe. My treatment is all ready, and I'm going to show you the best way to apply it. So before applying this treatment, make sure you put your hair in sections. Always make sure whenever you're applying any treatment, you do it in sections. This way, it will help every part of your hair to get some of this yummy treatment. So as I apply it in my hair, as you see, I'm using my fingers to massage my ends, my roots, and every part of the hair. After that, I'm going to use my hand to separate my hair like so. This will help reduce hair breakages. This treatment will help make detangling your hair so much easier. And you all know hair breakages starts from your hair being tangled. So if you have treatments that can help you detangle your hair with much ease, then you end up losing less hair. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at how soft my hair is looking. I just love this treatment. So whenever you apply it, make sure you are concentrating on the ends. You all know the ends of our hair is the oldest part of our hair. So you apply it to the ends, the roots, and every part of the hair. And after doing all that, do not forget to put a rubber cap or a shower cap on your hair to return in the heat. You can leave it in your hair anywhere from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Then after that, just rinse it off with water. Go ahead and moisturize your hair and put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and I know you have subscribed. But before leaving, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.